beautiful people. Okay, what are we gonna do?
I have a game for you today, Husti.
What?
Come on here. I did a video last night about a magic microwave, and it magically turns things into Christmas symbols.
Wow!
Yeah. You ready for the game?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that. Okay.
What
Watch. See? Okay, so you watch and see what this green present is gonna turn into. It is, I'm gonna give you a clue. It's white. It's white, made of snow.
Snowman! Yay! I will check this one.
Snowman is a popular theme for Christmas and winter decorations. And a famous snowman character is called Frosty.
Yab is here.
Come here, Yabby.
I'm here.
Okay, so this yellow present is an animal, and it helps Santa deliver the presents.
Huh?
Pulls the sleigh. It's got a red nose. Can you guess? It's
Deal!
Rudolph.
A Rudolph!
It's a reindeer, and his name is Rudolph.
Reindeer.
Yeah.
Ah.
Rudolph is the youngest of Santa's reindeers, and he uses his bright red nose to guide Santa's sleigh. Okay, now this blue present.
That's my favorite color.
It's your favorite color. Okay, guess this one. He sits on the shelf, and he is a spy. He's a spy, so he lists down who's naughty or nice. Can you guess? It's Elf on the Shelf. Bless you. His Elf on the Shelf. So he lists down who's naughty or nice and gives the list to Santa. So you two have to be nice, okay?
Okay.
Okay, now this gold present is, I'm gonna give you a clue. It's green, it's triangular, and you decorate it with ornaments. Can you guess what that is?
Yeah.
What? It's a Christmas
A tree! Yeah!
The use of Christmas tree first originated in Northern Europe and was traditionally decorated with roses made of colored paper, apples, wafers, and sweetmeats. Now this one is kids' favorite Christmas symbol. He's got a beard. It's
Santa!
Santa Claus. Also known as Father Christmas, Saint Nicholas, or simply Santa, is a legendary figure who is said to bring gifts to the homes of well-behaved children on the night of Christmas Eve. Okay, now I put all of the presents in the microwave, in the magic microwave, and let's see what it's gonna turn into.
Yeah.
Yeah, kids love this too.
I love this.
Yeah? Look, it's turning. Toot, toot. What is it, Yabby? Candy cane. Candy canes represent the crosier of Bishop Saint Nicholas and are given away to children during Saint Nicholas Day celebrations.
Open your eyes. Come here. Open.
Open, not close. Oh yeah. Okay, so this last present is is the meaning of the season.
The meaning?
Yeah, so you give this to everyone you love
Yeah.
to make them feel special. It's a present.
Yay!
Aww. See? Christmas present.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas.
It's the season of giving.
Ho, 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 ho! Merry
Don't
Christmas!
forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.